Okay guys, driving solo today. We got a curb alert. Just going to pick it up. Let's go see what's there. I think there's a bike rack there and stuff like that, so I could pick it up, and a bunch of other metal. Not a lot of metal. I'm on my way out to get gas, so I'll just swing out and pick this up, and we got ourselves a little video here. So see you at the scrap pile at the curb alert. Yeah, I don't know if that'll fit, guys. What do you think? Sideways? I'm not sure if I could fit it, but how you doing? Not sure if I could fit it.
What was that?
Kind of big.
Yeah, I don't think it folds either. But if you want, you're more than welcome to take it. It's just missing one of the prongs on the plug. So
Crap, you know. Crap metal.
yeah,
If it fits, I don't know.
I'll give you the hand if you want. Oh yeah, you're probably gonna need a flatbed. Yeah, because that does. If that folded down, it'd be a different story.
Yeah.
But
Like not even sideways.
yeah, I don't think sideways, and it's gonna be too tall to stand up.
Yeah. I think it's cord. We're just gonna load up some of this stuff here. I don't know how that goes in, but we'll load it up. I don't know if that's a bike rack, whatever. I don't know, guys. Get some of this stuff here.
Treasure day, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, table plate.
Yeah.
Oh, you look at your shop.
Concrete. There's a piece of molding there. Yeah, we're gonna have to change the battery soon, guys. Some aluminum and stuff. What I'm gonna do, guys, is put you down over here. And got some wood here. I don't know, got a bed rail. Don't really need nothing like that. Some nice screws and stuff. Somebody might take that. I don't think I really need any wood right now. There's a couple of pieces of metal down there. Yeah, I don't really need wood right now. Alright, that's pretty cool, guys. There's the treadmill. I'll show you the treadmill. It's too big, it's a giant one there. Need a truck for that. So, yeah, I'd like to spend some time getting the motor out of it and stuff like that, but it won't fit in the back, you know what I mean?